just in a moment, we are going to see how we can verify if Java is correctly installed on our PC or not using the command prompt. I guess you guys know what command prompt is. Check how to check if Java is installed. So I want you to just go ahead to your command prompt. Just type CMD.
I've already opened it.
All right, make sure you open it as admin. Just right click, run as administrator. Okay.
Command prompt?
I've already done it.
Command prompt.
What's command prompt?
Just type CMD. It's like an interface where you run programs.
You just type command, it will appear, the black thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, bro. Thank you. I see.
Okay, so just type what is on my screen now, Java space dash version, and you'll be able to see what if Java is installed and what version is installed.
Wait, so I just type JB, so I type user slash JBT.
No, just
it says JBT is not recognized.
No, you don't need to type JBT, just type Java, just start from Java, all right?
So it will work, but that's 3 lines.
Okay, 3 lines. Can you just read out what is there?
Java version 19.0.1 2020 October 18th. Java SE runtime environment build 19.0.1.
Okay,
Java
awesome. You say, is it 2022 or 2020?
2022.
Okay, 2022. All right. Okay.
Now, what did you say we should type?
Java. Don't type the JBT. Just type Java dash version. Java.
No. It won't work. You have to put space.
Java
space, then dash version. Then it will work.
It's telling me unrecognized option version error could not create. Let me share my screen.
Did you run it at administrator?
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh, I'm bad.
Once you run an administrator, it should show Windows System 32.
Yeah, that's what it shows.
Okay, now just type Java space dash version.
All right, thank you. Same thing.
All right, let me see. Can you share your screen, please?
Okay, it should.
Okay.
I wrote the same thing 3 times, but it showed the 3rd time.
Okay, it showed the 3rd time.
Java version 17.05.
All right.
2022 10 18 LTS.
All right. LTS means long-term support. Is okay. Okay, so if you don't have Java installed, it might bounce up with an error. Okay, it might bounce up with an error such as you have on your screen. To just tell you what Java is not recognized as an external or internal command, operable program or batch file. So that does it.